This rhythm is salsa, my favorite. It's kind of quick, but super sexy. Let's roll. This is the salsa side step. Let's do it. Great. Now let's break it down slowly together. First, starting to the side. Here we go. Rock, step, hold. Other side. Rock, step, hold. Good. Again. Rock, step, and hold together. Good. Change sides. Rock, step, hold. Good. Same thing. Let's just take it a little bit faster. Ready? And rock, step, hold. Rock, step, hold. Good. Rock, step, hold. Keep going. Rock, step, hold. Just relax your arms. Rock, step, together. Good. Rock, step, hold. Rock, step, close. So little steps. Same thing, a little bit faster. Ready? Rock, step, hold. Rock, step, hold. Good. Out, hold. Out, hold. Good. Don't worry for your arms. Just relax. Open, close. Open, close. Good. Keep going. And hold. Rock, step, hold. Rock, step, hold. Good. And close. Keep it going. And little rock. You ready? Same thing, faster. Open. There you go. You got it. Now have fun. How you doing, G?
Good.
There she goes. Come on. Keep going. Great job. All right, guys, this one is salsa forward and back. Let's do it. Good job. Now let's do it together, slowly first. Starting on your right leg, small rock step forward. Ready? And rock, step, together, and hold. Take it back. Rock, step, together, and hold. Here we go. Rock, step, together, hold, rock, step, together. Now hang out here for just a second. Same thing, a little bit faster. Ready, G?
Let's go.
5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, step, hold. Rock, step, hold. Good. Don't forget the pause. Right there in the center. Good. Rock, step, hold. Rock, step, hold. Same thing, little faster. Rock, step, hold. Rock, step, hold. Now listen here. Salsa, same family as the cha-cha. So let's check it out. Rock, step, cha-cha-cha. Rock, step, cha-cha-cha. Except for the cha-cha, just hold. Rock, step, hold. Good. Right here, relax your arms. Rock, step, together. Rock, step, together. Good. Little steps. You're gonna get a little faster. Keep going. Rock, step, hold. Rock, step, hold. Ready, G?
Let's do it.
You guys ready? Let's go. Smaller steps. Good. What's up, G? Let's see your style.
All right.
Oh my gosh.
What you got?
Oh, tricky. Where's your style? Come on. Good, relax, have fun. Right on, guys. Good job. Okay, here we go with the salsa travel. Check it out. Okay, let's break it down slowly first. Starting to the side on your right. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Steps side, together, side, and touch. Good. Side, close, side, and touch. Open, together, open, and touch. Good. Open, close, step, and touch. Keep going. Together, step, and touch. Take it back the other way. Together, open, and hold. Now hang it here for just a second. Same thing, little faster, little smaller. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, touch. 1, 2, 3, touch. Good. 1, 2. Let's pick it up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, touch. 1, 2, 3, touch. Good. Relax your arms. The secret is right here. Touch, open. 2, 3. Touch, open. Good. 1, 2, 3, touch. 1, 2, 3, touch. So relax your hips. Let your arms hang naturally. Open. Touch. 1, 2, 3, touch. So when we go faster, just make your steps a little smaller. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Relax. Enjoy it. Keep it going. Check her out. Go, G.
Now you.
No shimmy for me. But how about arms?
Vámonos con este son sabrosón y dice.
Great job, guys. Okay, this one is salsa back. Check it out. Okay, let's break it down together slowly first. Starting back on your right leg. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, rock, step, together, and hold. Take it back, step, together, and hold. Good. Back, step, together, hold, rock, step, together. Hang out here for just a second. So as we get faster, just make your steps smaller. You got it. Ready? Here we go. Rock, step, hold. Rock, step, hold. Good. On the right, hold. On the left. Good. Keep it going. Rock, step, hold. Rock, step, hold. Rock, step, hold. Let's go. A little faster, smaller. Rock, step, hold. Rock, step, hold. Good. Relax your arms. Let them hang naturally. Rock, step, hold. Small rock and hold. Back, step, hold. Back, step, hold. How you doing, G?
I'm good.
Rock, hold. Rock, hold, rock, and hold. Good. Keep it going. So as we get faster, just smaller. You got it. Ready? Come on. Rock, hold. There you go. How about another shimmy from Gina?
Uh-oh.
Shimmy! Are you shimmying? Come on. Shimmy.
What you got, T?
I got a little shimmy.
All right.
Good. Relax, guys. Have fun.
Con este son sabrosón y dice.
Awesome job, guys.